Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. I am your science teacher Sahar. Dear students, please open your books, page number 59, chapter number 3. Our today topic is forces. Dear student, what is a force? A force, a push or a pull it is an action that can change the shape, size and motion of an object. Dear students, many actions in daily life involve forces. Forces can change the shapes of objects, make objects move, change the direction of moving object, make an object move faster, slower and stop moving. Dear student, what is push and pull? A force is a push or a pull on an object. A push moves it away from you. A pull moves it close to you. Dear student, these are the examples of push and pull. If you look at this diagram, that is push and pull. Dear student, when we kick or throw something, we are pushing it, we are applying a force to move it. Many actions in daily life are push and pulls. For example, lifting a box, pushing a fishing rod, hitting a hockey ball, pushing some dough. Push a lump of plasticine by squeezing and pressing it. What happens to its shape? Pull the plasticine by stretching it. Does its shape change? Yes, dear students, its shape changes. Throw a cricket ball and hit it with a bat. Does the direction of ball change? Yes, dear students, it's change. Push a moving ball with a hockey stick in the direction of moving ball. Does the ball move faster? Yes, dear students. The ball moves faster. Pull a moving trolley in the opposite direction. Does the trolley slow down and stop? Yes, dear student. The trolley slow down and stop. Dear student, a force can have many effects. It can change the shape of an object. It can make an object start moving. It can make a moving object move faster. It can slow down and stop a moving object. It can change the direction of moving object. This is also example of push and pull. These are also other examples of push and pull. Is it is push or a pull? Dear student, these are actions and is it a push or a pull? Dragging, pull, poking is also push, pressing, push, squeezing, push, stopping is also push, stretching, pull, tugging, pull and ringing, push or pull. Dear students, our next topic is forces around us. Dear students, a toy car moves when we give it a push. The muscles in our arm exert a force on the car to move it. Our muscles can exert forces. Dear students, these are also other examples. A boy kicking a ball, a buffalo pulling a plow. Come on, next slide. Dear students, a battery operated toy car can move without pushing it. Do you know how it can move? The battery makes the electric motor inside the car move. The motor then exerts a force on a car to make it move. Dear student, how about machines like cranes or fans? Can they exert force too? Yes, machines can exert forces. These forces can be used to move things and do work. For example, if you look at this diagram, these are washing machine and fans. These machines exert force to do work. And in the last, there are forces in nature too. The forces of typhoon and earthquake is big and can damage many things. Dear student, these are the examples of damage caused by typhoon and damage caused by an earthquake. Dear student, now I am going to give your workbook page number, your chapter number 3 on workbook page number 36 and 37. Please do it. Dear student, now end of this lesson. Thank you and goodbye.